My name is Jin-me Yoon, and I'm a visual artist. I'm a professor at the School for the Contemporary Arts at Simon Fraser University. I love what I do, and with my students, I love working with them. I learn alongside them, and I feel passionate about supporting them. The focus of my research is lens-based practices in photography and video, and often these works are spatialized in installation form. I would say that my work concerns this idea of understanding a world in which we are connected to each other as human beings relationally. That has a lot to do with my desire to contribute to immigrant, Indigenous conversations that need to happen towards reconciliation. But also, given our ecological crisis, particularly climate change, I think we need to have a different relationship to the natural world, and my work is increasingly taking me to those places.